Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel The Trading Game, the channel where you get all the stock market related information, news and financial education. In this video, we are talking about one very important topic or a very important indicator which we call it as VWAP. It is a very common indicator which is a kind of ABCD of a market of the indicators basically. So that means it is a very common indicator. We will be talking about this. So there is one fine line, one thin line which needs to be applied here in order to be successful in using this. Okay, so we will be talking about that. And in fact, as this is a very important video and I want all the audience to be covered in this, so I will be talking in both English and Hindi both because this definitely is going to be a helpful video for many of the newbies here in the market. So that's why I'll be covering the topic in both Hindi and English. So please bear with me for some time if you don't understand either of the languages. नमस्ते दोस्तों, द ट्रेडिंग गेम चैनल में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। आज हम लोग एक बहुत ही बढ़िया एक इंडिकेटर के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, वो भी बहुत ही सिंपल इंडिकेटर जिसको वीवैप कहते हैं। सो वीवैप एक ऐसा इंडिकेटर है, बहुत ही लाइक वेरी बेसिक इंडिकेटर है, मतलब इसमें कुछ बड़ी चीजें नहीं है, तो बहुत ही बड़ा छोटा वाला इंडिकेटर है। पर एक चीज इसको इसमें ऐड करने से बहुत ही बढ़िया रिजल्ट ले सकते हैं हम लोग। तो इसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं हम। तो अभी इसको डिटेल में देखते हैं। सो वी विल लुक इनटू दिस वीवैप इंडिकेटर इन डिटेल एंड हाउ टू यूज दैट इज द बिगेस्ट क्वेश्चन एंड अ वेरी सिंपल आंसर इज देयर फॉर दैट, and we'll be looking into that. Okay, the first thing is what is VWAP? VWAP, the long form is volume weighted average price. So it is a benchmark used by traders that gives the average price of a stock that has traded throughout the day based on both volume and price. तो इधर एक चीज इसको इस डेफिनेशन को पढ़ने के बाद एक चीज समझ में आता है कि this is an indicator which is combination of volume and price. सिर्फ एक का ये जनरली लाइक एक प्राइस का होता है और या वॉल्यूम का होता है, पर इस इंडिकेटर ने दोनों को एक मिलाता है, तो इसीलिए दिस इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी a very good indicator which in fact many a times we miss to capture this particular indicator. And probably I think that if you are in a market for more than like 6 months or more, probably you might be already using this VWAP, or you might have used in the past and you might have left this seeing no good results out of it. ठीक है, but there is a way, and believe me, if you are going with that particular secret, whatever I'm going to tell you, there is no need for any other indicator in the market. This will fetch you a lot of money, and I can guarantee you, as I mentioned in the thumbnail. I see people who are using a n number of indicators, like whatever it is, Bollinger Band, RSI, Stochastic, MACD, Money Flow Index, Pure Points, Williams, whatnot. There are like a n number of indicators, and even I see people clubbing multiple indicators and making the process very complex. So, and coming to the basic, trading is not that complex what we think. So it is just it needs some common sense from our side, and a kind of discipline is what is needed, and with one or two good indicators. And again, I'm telling you, VWAP can be that indicator, only one indicator which is needed in market. And definitely I think there is no other need for any other indicator if you are an intraday trader. Okay, so we will be going through this VWAP, and the first thing is why VWAP is the best among all. तो मैं VWAP के बारे में इतना क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, why it is the best, तो इसके बारे में भी देखते हैं why exactly it is the best among all the indicators. फर्स्ट थिंग इज इट कवर्स अ वेरी गुड रिस्क रिवार्ड रेशियो। अगर इसके साथ आप ट्रेड करोगे तो आपके पास बहुत ही अच्छा वाला रिस्क रिवार्ड रेशियो मिलेगा। ये वाला बहुत ही बड़ा चीज़ है। हमेशा whenever you work in the market, you should, the first thing what you should look in the market is this risk reward ratio. जब भी आप मार्केट में काम करते हो, द फर्स्ट थिंग आपको देखना है कि रिस्क रिवार्ड आपको अच्छा मिलना चाहिए, तो ऐसा एक स्ट्रैटेजी ढूंढना चाहिए। और वीवैप, definitely this is one of one among them or the top among them, which gives you a very big risk reward. I mean, good risk reward, in fact. Okay, then the second one is no much worry about the market trend. So बहुत बार हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जनरली मार्केट ऊपर जाता रहता है तो we will be like very hesitant to touch the stocks which are going downside, or whenever the market is going downside, we will be very hesitant to touch the stocks which are going upside. But if you are following this VWAP, definitely market trend से थोड़ा बहुत impact हो सकता है, but उतना ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, क्योंकि however market is supreme and it can bring the stocks wherever it like. But in say I can say 80-85% of the cases, definitely market trend doesn't matter the stocks which are going good through this VWAP. And we will be looking all the stocks, even like because I'm just making this video today. I will be showing you all the stocks of Friday, how exactly they have behaved with this stock, so that you will like, understand. And one more important thing about this particular indicator is at any point of time you will find one stock to trade. So generally अपना mentality क्या रहता है लोगों का, जब भी अपना ट्रेड नहीं रहता है तो हमेशा हम लोगों को ट्रेड में रहना ही है, ये एक साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट है, बट विच इज़ वेरी बैड, वैसा नहीं रहने चाहिए, पर फिर भी लाइक वो ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी है, वी कांट गो आउट ऑफ इट. So that's the reason why like क्या होता है maximum times we will just take the trade just for the sake of taking a trade, and many a times we will be in the negative side. So just to avoid that, this VWAP is an indicator. At any point of time, you will get one or the other stock. Okay, so definitely will get one or the other stock to trade at any time whenever you want to. But it is only after 10:30. So 10:30. Only after that you will get any stock. If you want to trade at this moment, you can get a stock during the working hours. Okay, so this is a very important thing. But however, like I do. I do suggest that you should not do kind of this kind of trading, that wherein you will trade only just for the sake of trading. You should not do that. Whenever you feel like comfortable with the trade, then only you should do. But however, as I said, it is a human psychology. If you really want a stock to trade at any point of time, this VWAP will help you to get to search that trade. Okay. And one thing here is this video and the way of trading ATP mentioned here, definitely I'm telling you, can change your life into a profit making one in the stock market. तो मैं इधर दावे के साथ कह रहा हूँ कि अगर इस VWAP इंडिकेटर को, और इसको एटीपी बोलते हैं, एवरेज ट्रेडेड प्राइस, अगर इसको आप सही से फॉलो करोगे तो डेफिनेटली आप कल से ही मार्केट में बहुत ही बढ़िया पैसा कमाने शुरू कर दोगे. ये मेरा गारंटी है, अगर इसको आप सही से इस्तेमाल करोगे तो देखते हैं इसके क्या क्या इसमें खूबी है. और एक चीज़ है, आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू लाइव ट्रेड्स फॉर हेल्पिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियरली. तो कल परसों से मैंने एक प्लान कर रहा हूँ कि आई विल बी जस्ट शोइंग माय लाइव ट्रेड्स, बिकॉज when I am talking much about this, definitely by now you should have understood that I'm making good profits out of it, and definitely I'm planning to show you my live trades, how I do the trades, and how exactly I will be taking care of my trades. So, I mean, it starts from picking the stocks and holding it and exiting. So we'll be talking about everything. I'm planning to do that. So for that, I need your comments below. Please do mention in the comment section below if you want this to be done. If I get comments positively, probably I will be planning to come live, and I will be showing you the trades. Even if not live, I will be showing you at the end of the day, because I may not get time during working hours. So I will just try to at least I my main intention here is to just transfer my knowledge in one or the other way. Okay, and please do comment below. And if you are a new user here in this channel for the first time, please do subscribe the channel, so that it gives some motivation for me to do further videos. अगर आप इधर नए हैं तो इस चैनल में प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए चैनल को. इससे कुछ मोटिवेशन मिलता है मेरे को और कुछ अच्छा वीडियोस देने में हेल्प करेगा. नाउ वी विल बी गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट important step. So what is that secret which I'm talking about this trading web app? So it is not that big as I'm told earlier and also telling now. It is not that big one. Very small thing. You need to just modify whatever the way you are trading now. So the trick is to apply this indicator to the top gainers and the top losers of the day. अगर इसको करेंगे तो टॉप गेनर्स और टॉप लूजर्स को इसको अप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको खुद हैरान हो जाएंगे कि कितना बढ़िया ये वाला इंडिकेटर काम करता है. And definitely again I'm telling you, don't I mean, now we will be going through all the like stocks which perform good with this indicator on Friday. And again, for the people, for there will be some negative people who say that it don't show in the past data and all. So I don't bother about those guys. But however, just to help some new people here, that's the reason why I said that I will be coming. I will be trying to do live trades and I will be trying to publish them for your knowledge. Okay, so negative people, please be said and make the way for the positive people to learn something. Okay, and definitely I'll be showing you how exactly this has worked in the previous day and continuously from tomorrow itself I'll be showing you on the live session how exactly it will be working. Okay, so now we will be directly going to the chart and वहाँ पे देखते हैं how exactly this works and how to interpret the charts. Okay. So now here we are into the chart and you can see here I have applied this VWAP indicator. As you can see the red line, whatever you are seeing here. So this is nothing but a VWAP or a ATP. Okay. So one important thing to mention here is this VWAP. This is not dependent on any time frame. So now, for example, I'm at 5 minutes, and even if I change it to 1 hour, also the VWAP or the values remains the same. So it doesn't matter. Okay, so the values remains the same at any point of time. तो ये वीवैप जब भी हम लोग बोलते हैं इसमें इसमें एक खूबी है कि जो भी हम लोग टाइम फ्रेम जो चेंज करते हैं तो 5 मिनट से 10 मिनट 10 मिनट से 15 मिनट ये जो भी चेंज करते हैं चेंज करने के बाद भी वो वीवैप का वैल्यू एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वो सेम ही रहेगा. वो टाइम फ्रेम के हिसाब से बदलता नहीं है. So that is one very important aspect of what you need to look at. And now we will be looking into a few of the stocks which were the top gainers and top losers for the day. And definitely before starting, I just wanted to let you know that when I say something, it doesn't mean that 100% you should do that, but there will be kind of 10-20%. So as per me, what I can definitely confirm is that this indicator works for 75 to 80% of the times without hitting your stop. Okay, so 75 to 80, meaning out of 4 to 5 trades, there might be only one or two might be which might be going wrong in 4 trades. Okay, in 4 trades, there might be only one trade which might go against you. There is definitely a possibility in the market because market is supreme. We can't beat market. And I, as always say, if someone says that they are 100% accurate, then definitely they are lying. It is not the fact. Okay. So now let's look into this Apollo's hospitals. Or before that, just wanted to tell you, you should apply this indicator only after 10:30, 11 a.m. Maybe 10:30 should be good enough. Okay, so that is first criteria. You should start applying this only after 10:30. Now, how to do that? What you need to do is when you see the top gainer or top loser at that particular point of time. Okay, so at say around this 10:30, 10:40 time, if I'm seeing this stock as a main loser at that point, then I can pick it if all the candles after around this 9:30, 9:45, if they are trading below here. Okay, so now you can see here either VWAP से नीचे ही continuously trade हो रहा है उसके बाद एक बार इधर आके इसको टच किया जहां पे ये टच करता है you can take the trades here, you can enter the trades here for shorting with exactly stop loss of 1% from this line. So for example, now in this case, in yesterday's this case, the value around this 10:35 timing is around 1692. So I would have shorted this stock with a stop loss of 17 rupees which is 1% of 1691. So around 1708 के आसपास में एक स्टॉप लॉस लगा के इसको शॉर्ट करने वाला था। तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं वहां से हाउ इट हैज फॉलन, सी अगेन इट केम डाउन बट अगेन it respected this, and how it fell. And once again, observe this. After falling so much, around almost 50 plus rupees, it tried to retrace here, and you can see here exactly at the VWAP, it again got resistance, and it closed almost at that price. Okay, so this is one important thing. So now we will be talking about other stock. Maybe I'll be taking TVS Motor. He was one of the losers yesterday. So that is the reason why I'm showing you multiple stocks. It is not just like a one stock. General people, what they do is they will just show you one indicator which is working at one point, and they will say that is working fine. But here मैंने जो ट्राई कर रहा हूँ इधर, आई एम जस्ट trying to show you multiple stocks which are working good here. ओके, तो यहाँ पे भी सेम देख सकते हो, ये जो भी 10 बजे के बाद एक कंटिन्यूसली नीचे ही चला आया, और उसके बाद एक बार इधर टच किया, टच करने के बाद मान लो कि इधर आए हो शॉर्टेड, बिकॉज जब भी यहाँ पे टच करेगा यहाँ से मैं शॉर्ट करूंगा, ए वाला स्ट्रैटेजी है। सो 398.5 पे शॉर्ट करूंगा मैं विद स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 4 रुपीज विच इज अराउंड 402। तो वहां पे शॉर्ट करने के बाद यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि 400 तक ही गया है स्टॉक, और वहां से नीचे लुढ़ का है। ठीक है, यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ऑलमोस्ट 398 से ये वाला 391 तक आया है इधर, मतलब आठ आठ रुपीज नीचे आया, उसके बाद और एक दोबारा और एक स्टेप में फिर से नीचे आया, मतलब आई विल बी गेटिंग लाइक ऑलमोस्ट if you consider 13 rupees on this stock with only just a 4 rupees stop loss. And talking about the target, so I generally keep it open. Okay, to be frank, I generally keep the targets open. But if you are a safe traders, please make the target as 2 percentage or even 1%, 1.5 percentage if you are a very safe trader, so that your risk reward will be always good. And when I say that, I personally will be having a open target, because जब भी हम लोग टॉप गेनर्स या टॉप लूजर्स की बात करते हैं, जनरली दो स्टॉक्स विल close at the day high or day low. So if it is a top loser, he will be closing at the day low, and if it is a top gainer, he will be closing at the day high. And that is the reason why I will be having just 1% as my stop loss, and I will be keeping my target open. And just remember, this is the only indicator or scenario wherein I will be having my open targets, or else I will be having a very strict target and stop. So here only I'll be having my stop loss fixed, but target will be open. Okay, so now hopefully you got this example also. So we'll be talking about all the stocks which fell yesterday, meaning Friday, because the market was on the negative side, and you can see here how clearly it is showing the same thing again. So from 10 o'clock, the stock is was down, and it tried coming and touching here at around 222.5. It touched, in fact. From there my stop loss will be 2 rupees, which is 224.5. पर यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हाई कितना बना है, 223.3। वहां से देख सकते हैं कि आप 223 से 214 तक गया, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 9 पॉइंट्स मिला आपको, मतलब 4% से भी ऊपर मिला है आपको। ठीक है, so this is the like importance of this particular VWAP, which many people are not knowing about this. I'm sorry that the video is getting a bit longer, but as I'm saying, this is your life turning video might be in market, so that's why I'm just trying to explain all the possible things. Now I'll be telling you one simple example how my stop loss can get hit, and how exactly VWAP is taken care here. Now the same thing. 945, from 945 it was trading down, 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 and probably here someone would have shorted here at this point, because it is touching the VWAP. But you can see here the stop loss might have got hit, but after getting hit, you see here again it tried to come here, which was earlier, which was resistance, now became a support, and from support you can see how good the stock went on the upside. And again you see this one thing here, it came here again, took support here at this point, even in the falling market. That means once if it crosses that VWAP line, there is no meaning it to stay in that trade in the initial direction. Okay, so that is very important. So now you might be asking that we are talking all about the falling shares because yesterday was a falling market. Now I will be showing you some of the like stocks which were the gainers, and you will realize the importance of this one in a falling market. Now we realize that the market was falling yesterday, but you can see here this stock it was continuously upside before 10 o'clock, and you can see here at around 11:10 it gave us an opportunity. Again, it touched one more time around 11:35. But from there, you can see from where to where it reached. So initially, it touched around there's a 217 range, and it made a high of around 221. Okay, so which is more than 2% here. So now what I'm showing you now is the against the trend. So these are the stocks against the trend. So that is the reason why I told this strategy you can use it irrespective of your trend of the trend of the day. Okay, so the same thing here. So now you can see here it was going up, 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 and somewhere it came near to that VWAP, and but it didn't touch that. However, again it went up. Now here you can see this area it touched because here the market was falling heavily, and you can notice that this stock didn't cross this. ध्यान से देखिए इधर एक चीज बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है मार्केट जहां पे यहाँ पे गिर रहा था ये गिरते हुए मार्केट में भी स्टॉक नीचे तक आया विवैप तक आया पर उसको पार नहीं कर पाया और यहाँ से यू टर्न ले लिया और फिर से हाई पे ही ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज हो गया तो ये वाला एक इम्पोर्टेंस है इस स्ट्रैटेजी का जहाँ पे मार्केट का डायरेक्शन आपको सेकेंडरी लगता है मार्केट मतलब मार्केट इज नॉट definitely you can ignore market with this one with however you will be having only 1% stop loss और यहाँ पे भी देखिए सेम केस हुआ है एक कंटिन्यूसली ये ऊपर था 10 बजे के आसपास और यहाँ पे एक बार टच किया टच करने के बाद यहाँ पे डेफिनेटली आप अपना एंट्री रहता है 445 पे और फिर से दोबारा इधर 445 पे दोबारा टच किया और उसके बाद देख सकते हैं इधर कितना ऑलमोस्ट 12 रुपए का टारगेट दिया मतलब 2.5% का और यहाँ पे फिर से आया इधर इसके पास पर इधर फेल हो गया फिर से इधर नीचे हो गया यहाँ पे जब मार्केट ये गिर रहा था सेकेंड हाफ में again it came to that value and it touched and it bounced back and it closed at exactly the same price. Okay, so with that, let me conclude that you got something out of this video. Please do let me know how you are feeling about this indicator and आपका जो भी कमेंट्स है प्लीज़ नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिखिए और जो भी आपका क्वेश्चंस है प्लीज डू आस्क फील फ्री टू आस्क एंड I'm starting a telegram channel for which the link I have given in the comments in the description below so that you can join so that we can discuss during market hours. Okay, so with that let me conclude the video again. My request is for the new people, please do subscribe the channel and hit that like button. Thank you so much for your time. See you.